I hope you might have a career gap, you might have a higher package switching, or maybe you are looking for as a manual testing engineer to the automation testing engineer. Here we are providing the right opportunity in order to give the full-fledged training from the real-time aspect. We are going to hold your hand till you get placed. So here we are providing a classroom training, online training to give you the full knowledge for 3 months for entire the technology called as an automation testing with Python. If you are a fresher, if you are already out from the campus, we are here to provide the data science and machine learning full stack Python as a technology in order to fulfill your dream of the job in MNC companies wherever you require. We are going to give you the 100% assurance in order to provide the job till you get placed. So this is my assurance, and my name is Venkat. I am from Srini Software Training. I am the trainer as well as I'm the founder of this particular organization. So kindly, you go through the site and see the who have the people placed in the respective companies. I have 99% of the people placed in all MNC companies with 12 lakhs above packages. Being a fresher, I placed up to 22 lakhs of the packages. So if you want to test, testimonials, kindly go through the website and try to verify how great we are in terms of place. Thank you so much.